So this is assignment number 20 in pre-calculus, problem number 17. So they want you to take this x over 4 and plug it in to G where you see the x and F where you see the x, and then add those two together. Okay, so this first step is just me plugging it in. So I took the x over 4 and I got 3, and then in parentheses I put x over 4 plus the 4 plus, and then I plugged the x over 4 again in here, x over 4 minus 2. Okay. For the next step, I just simplified. So 3 times x over 4 is 3x over 4 plus the 4, and then x over 4. I wrote it as 1x just because you're going to see that when I add those two together, you want to think of it as 3x plus 1x. And then the minus 2. So the 3x plus the 1x, or the 3x over 4 plus the 1x over 4 is 4x over 4. And then the 4 minus 2 is just 2. So the 2 I just brought down, but the 4 over x I simplified to x.